I would like you to answer those questions in your journal under today's date for the first part of our literature circle today. You will be reading pages 33 to 39 and answering those questions first, after which you will have your first discussion. That discussion will be based on what you guys answered and the following question. Mary, please read that one.
Predict the change that each character will go.
No, you can start in whole group. Very good.
Okay.
Right where my finger is.
In whole group, discuss your answer. Also consider. Predict the change that each character will go through by the end of the novel, 8 minutes.
Very good. And I want you guys to really be aware of something. I really appreciate you switching up Literature Circle with me today. This is the first time for me and the first time for you guys, so we're going to see how it goes. And then the second part of Literature Circle will be as we normally do it, which is up here, and I'm switching it quickly, which will be normal. 60 seconds to choose your job, 8 minutes for the job, 8 minutes discussion, and 6 minutes plus delta. So you will have a normal literature circle today. But we're starting with something a little bit new where you have to answer specific teacher-guided questions. Is that clear? Are there any questions before you begin? So you're having 2 rounds of literature circle. 1 teacher-guided, and then you'll have a short discussion on these questions, and 1 where you do your own jobs. Does that make sense? Okay, we're going to see how this goes today. Good luck to you. Go ahead and please begin. I'm expecting total silence. 8 minutes starting right now. Okay, 1 minute has passed. Originally you had 6 minutes to answer the following question. I'm making this adjustment in my notes as I watch you guys. Many of you have already gotten started on the notes. I'm going to give you 5 minutes. 5 minutes to answer questions 1 through 3. Those of you who have not started, please begin doing so. Those of you that have started, finish up. Remember, for question number 1, describe Jolly when she enters the house. Are you only describing her physical attributes?
No.
Why not? Why not? Why not? Taisha. Okay, in the book they talk about her emotions as well. And would Miss Gross have taken the first 20 minutes of class to talk about characterization, emotions, physical, if I wasn't asking you for more? Okay, so make sure you're keeping that in mind because some of you have sort of glossed over that. You guys are really working with me and doing a great job here. I think you're ready to discuss your answers. There are 1 or 2 of you who haven't finished quite number 3. You'll be able to get those with your groups. In your groups, I would like you to discuss your answers. Everyone share them the same way you would share jobs. Go around, read your answers to each other, discuss them, talk about them a little bit. Change your answers if you hear someone else's answer that works with you. Is that clear?
Jeremy, he's more mature ever since LeVar taught him, you know, when she tried to train him, and I think now he's taking that on, you know, because he being more mature, you know, because he wants to go to the town, even though there's no reason on him, but he tried to help.
Okay, excellent. So he was maturing and trying to help. And Jilly's response was to do what physically? What did she do?
Cry.
She cried. What do you think Jilly, the child, was feeling inside? Emotions. Giovanni?
Fear.
Fear. Excellent. So think that way. Not just describing what they do, because the book describes what they do, right? We want to go deeper than the book. Excellent.
Everybody's like trying to do something to help her, but the mom doesn't. What's her name? Yeah. She doesn't know what to do, so I kind of do that to myself because, like, if I was in her shoes, I wouldn't know what to do, and I'll be like scared.
Very good. Have you had an experience with that? You being, getting messed up, coming in bleeding, or a family member? Ever? Have you ever seen anyone bleed? You have?
Came down to bleed, and then Jeremy, my mom was trying to clean her face. And Jeremy is now starting to act like his own age.
Excellent. Did you notice what Joshua noticed? He went past the summary, right? Said Jeremy's starting to act his own age. What do you mean by that?
Like before, he used to walk around like with dirty face and everything. Now he's like more neat, he's clean.
Very good. What else did he do? What does that show about him? You already said it. What does that show about Jeremy?
He's everything. Sure.
Good. Very good. He's maturing.